Hey guys, good morning and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Cram and my partner's Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, guys, we're not, excuse me, we're not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bang pips, and we then convert that into money. Okay, so if you're looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now and sell now, you are on the wrong stream. But if you're looking for someone to teach you about these markets, and of course if you're looking to trade the profitable Forex strategy live, then stick around, because that's exactly what we're gonna do. Alright, so you guys see my screen. Okay, we have the indices right here. I've done a little bit of gold, a little bit of GU. Gold is beginning to play out. That's an impulse. Guys, we also have news in the next 7 minutes. So let's be a little careful on this, okay? Let's see how this wants to close, how the new candle wants to open up, and let's see if we could get maybe a little bit of a move coming in from there. GU, we had a break, retest, impulse. If y'all don't feel comfortable getting in on anything right now, y'all don't have to, okay? Just wait. Let price do its thing, and we'll then see. But look at NASDAQ. Okay, NASDAQ's starting to break down. Just give me a quick second. Okay, nasty still attempting. Okay. Alright, sorry guys, my MetaTrade is being a little funny right now. Just give me a second. Okay, perfect. Okay, I'm all set. Alright, so excuse me. Gold. Look at gold. Is anyone in on any sort of maybe gold feelers? Are y'all testing out little small tiny positions? Or what are y'all up to? Anyone in any sort of trades at all right now? Or are we just watching and waiting for news to play out? Okay, that's the new candle. Nasty didn't close. Let's see if gold wants to give us something, okay? Let's look at the EMAs on gold. A nice potential death cross coming in right there. We could go up to retest it, maybe have a nice rejection, and we get the completion of that death cross, okay? Let's see. Alright, GU's having a nice retest as well. Nasty starting to kick in. Dirty still has some time. We break that on Nasty and we're gonna most likely push down, okay? Let's make a little bit of an adjustment here. Alright, let's keep it like that. Let's look for the impulse coming in now. I think I'm gonna have my eyes on gold for this one, you guys. Gold's starting to look like it could be a decent move. Alright, and we can expect some chop today. So the news that's gonna come out in the next 3 minutes, this is news that releases every Thursday of every week, which is jobless claims. Yes, it is a red folder, not the most volatile of them all, and we are coming into NFP tomorrow, so we could expect some chop. But it's all good, alright? We'll try and catch some moves. If we don't get it, we don't get it. It is what it is. We're not going to force anything. NFP already. Yep, it's NFP tomorrow. First Friday of every month, you guys. First Friday of every month is non-farm payrolls. Just last month, it was the second Friday because we had 5 Fridays in March, which is why they decided to have it on the second Friday. So apart from that, it's always the first Friday of the month. This month went just flying. Man, for us, the past 6 months have just gone flying. Trust me when I say this, bro. Um, every time we do NFP, it's like fuck already. It's pretty cool, man. Okay, let's see if we want to get the continuation on GU. Listen, Goldie's definitely coming in. Okay, that's a nice little TP we have on gold, but we're definitely coming into some demand sitting right there. Okay, so I want you guys to keep that in mind. Let's see if we're faking this death cross, if we're really gonna do it. Okay. Maybe from here we get a bounce back. That's a possibility as well. So if y'all aren't already in this, y'all don't want to get trapped for a move that could not really give you too much value. Okay, so just watch out. Be careful. Y'all don't have to stress about this. It's all good. Look at GU. It's really trying hard. The sellers are still pushing. Let's take a look at the RSI. RSI looks good on gold. RSI looks good on GU. RSI looks it's all looking good. Okay, we can expect a little bit of a retracement. All right, coming into the dirty, maybe. All right, so let's see how we react around this demand. If we obviously break past it and make it supply, then it is what it is, and the move will happen. Okay, what are you guys trading, and what do y'all want me to have? What do y'all want me to keep open for you guys? It doesn't really matter too much to me. I don't care because I'm still gonna be trading what I want to trade. But you guys decide what chart y'all want me to have on. We have GU and gold on one, and we have nasty and the dirty on the other. Gold. Alright, I'm seeing a couple more gold. Honestly, gold, I fell in love with the man. Guys, can some more people message on? I have a couple of gold and a couple of indices as well. I just want whatever you guys want to be up here, okay? Gold. Awesome. Okay, gold it is. Alright, gold's giving us a retest of our now turn supply. Okay, 42 seconds to news, you guys. Please don't be over leveraging your account. If we start to come back down with force, I'm going to be trigger finger on this one, okay? Alright, let's see, you guys. This is news in the next 3 seconds. Let's have a good one. Boop, there you go. Look at that. That's a lot of fucking volume. Let's see if that's a liquidity grab or we're going to continue to push up, okay? But this is why I was saying we've got to be careful down in this area, alright? Let's be mindful. If we close up there, we're getting in on buys, okay? If not, this is going to be a liquidity grab and this is going to start to push down. Let's take a look at nasty. Alright, these didn't do much. We have Canadian news that just came out as well. Look at that fucking dirty ass wick. Alright, I'm getting in with a tiny, well, not a very tiny position. If we hold this, I'm probably going to get in. Let's see. Alright, let's see how we range around the 50. Very dirty news folder, okay? So we have negative news for jobless claims. Negative news for the USD, okay? So that could mean if we're starting to see... Oh, look at that. Okay, we're attempting. Come on. Okay, so we had the unemployment claims in Canada come out as positive news and the American folder come out as negative, okay? But I'm in on this trade right now, guys. I just hopped in right there and I am running on Goldie. Boom, I'm up by 37.80. Okay, I'm up by 3 grand. Okay, I'm going to change this to break even really quick. 2016 point. Alright, I'm in a break-even trade. And I'm running by about $1,000 right now. I got stopped out at break-even. Fuck it. Alright, but I'm glad I managed to put myself in a break-even spot. Okay, this is a very, very choppy market. And I could have taken out 3 grand, but I didn't want to. I decided to stay in a break-even position. Okay, so it's all good. Let's see how we want to react around that area. Okay? If we break past here, we can look to get the continuations in, okay? I hope you guys were quick enough like me to put yourself into break-even because y'all don't want to be losing this, alright? Okay, let's make a little bit of a change. Alright, let's look at this now. Okay, guys, I'm still gonna keep a little nice feeler in these markets. Caught 3 pips on Nasty, 2 Volatile. Caught 10 pips on Dirty. Beautiful, congratulations, you guys. Caught 15 pips on Gold. Lovely, Kyle, good stuff. Good stuff. Look at that. All right, so we had Nasty go down and hit TP on the impulse. Let's see if this wants to close in our box in the next 2.5 minutes. All right, but I'm holding on. We have our buy structure and we have our sell structure sitting right here, ready to rip. Okay, so let's just see. We don't need to be too crazy. Look at this volatility. Okay, either you've got to be trading really, really small, or you're as fast as I am to put yourself in that risk-free spot. Okay, it's one of the two, or you guys are gonna end up losing your account straight up. Let's get rid of this supply. Let's watch you guys. Okay, if we happen to break that, I'm gonna look to jump in. Or if you guys are not comfortable doing that, then wait for price to close, okay? Wait for the next minute and 20. Let's see if price wants to close in our box, and then we'll see if we want to get a push to the downside. Guys, if we break this zone, we're coming down, no problem, man. I like this. Okay, I'm gonna quickly set up an order for this, you guys. In and around that region. Okay, so in case we get a little bit of a move, I'm gonna get triggered in. Okay, so give me a second. Oh, look at GU. Look at GU. Fucking tanking, you guys. Alright, Nasty. For the ones that are trading the indices, watch out for this. Okay, watch for the close. The retested beautifully, hit TP on the impulse, and now we could go to maybe test out that zone if we do close in our box in the next minute and in the next couple of seconds. My bad. Okay, I'm gonna keep it on gold just because I know that we have quite a few people invested on gold right now. Okay, that's a nice retest. Going to the upside. Alright, we have this level of resistance sitting right here. Guys, I'm not going to be greedy, okay? These markets are super volatile. I wasn't expecting too many moves today because we're coming into NFP tomorrow. If I'm going to get my 10 pips, I'm just going to take it, you guys. I don't want to be playing around in these markets today, okay? I'm currently in with a little feeler. Alright, I'm in with a feeler on gold. Alright, so Nasty closed right in our demand. As you can see, it didn't close in our box. Respected our demand. And now it's pushing to the upside. We're picking up support from our demand on both indices. Gold. We could come up to test half that candle. If anyone's in a feeler with me on gold, you could have your stop loss somewhere up there, okay? Alright, I just got triggered in on gold, you guys. I just got triggered in and I'm running by about 2-3 pips right now. Okay, it's a little rangy. 2-3, there you go, boom. Alright, 5 pips, 6 pips, come on, give us the drop. Push down and give us the goddamn drop, okay? I'm up by about 3-4 pips again, you guys. I'm gonna change this to break even again because I don't want to play around with this. 2015.64. Okay, break-even position again, alright? So, if this reverses on me, I get stopped out. It is what it is. I don't give a shit. And I just got stopped out again. Alright, so I hope you guys got in and out again with me. Listen, when the markets are treating you this way, maybe that's an indication, okay? That take it easy, take a chill pill, relax, and let price do its thing, because these are just choppy markets, okay? Look at that, GU pushing down. Alright, guys, I'm still looking for this break, man. This still looks really good to me. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It looks very, very, very enticing to me. Alright, but I just want to make sure we break that, okay? We just need momentum to start going oversold, you guys. That's what I'm looking for. Alright, has anyone caught anything so far? Gold's being gold today, okay? But I promise you, gold's gonna be the one that gives us the move as well. Alright, I'm in on this again, you guys. I'm in, and I am running right now. Boom! There you go. I'm up by 2,500, almost 10 pips. Come on, give it to me, man. Give it to me. Alright, gold's pushing. I'm up by 10 pips, you guys. I just hit 10 pips on gold. I'm changing this. 4,000. There you go. 4,700 on gold. We're dropping. Okay, it's happening. Come on, man. This bleed is happening. I'm running by 5,000. That's it, you guys. Who is catching this with me? This is what we do here at Forex Trading all the fucking time. We're dropping down. I'm up by 5,300. Again, 5,700 and counting. Come on, man. This is intense. Who's getting this with me? 6,000. I'm up by 6,000. And fuck it. You know what? I'm not going to be greedy. I always say this in the move. Oh, there you go. Boom. Okay. I just saw a little glimpse of 7 grand. Alright, I saw a little glimpse of 7 grand. I'm looking at it really, really closely. Alright, I just pulled out 5,600 from this trade. Who caught that with me? I want to see freaking W's in the chat. Okay, let's do this. Who caught that? Cram brings the energy every day. Cheers, man. That's me, okay? Clean move. We had a nice impulsive break into our box. Guys, let's break this down, okay? We had a nice impulsive break into our box. And then, one sec, guys. We had a nice impulsive break into our box. And we had a nice retest as well. Rejection, break of structure. I got in before this break of structure. I got in and around this area because I was expecting this to happen. And then, even if you use the entry exit strategy, that's a 22 pip move right there. Remove your spreads, 2-3 pips. That's still 20 pips, out of which you were supposed to catch 10. All right, so beautiful move on gold. I like seeing the W's, fat pips. The biggest win for me today. Lovely, man. Let me just see how much I caught on that real quick. Okay, I closed 4,350. All right, I saw about 5,400 when I was closing it, but it is what it is. This is 4,350 I didn't have before I took this trade, okay? So I'm not complaining. I'm all happy. I'm good, all right? I'm good. Let's look at the indices. The indices are being extremely choppy. I'm so glad that we picked gold, okay? I knew that I was going to trade gold, and I love that we got the move, okay? Now let's see. Nasty coming in over here. Maybe we break out of this, and if we create, and we could be looking to create a lower low. All right, so let's see. Okay, gold still getting rejected, you guys. Gold still looks good. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Gold still looks good. We're having a retest, maybe another rejection. Nice little entry right there. Okay, I'm not looking to trade this again, but if you guys are still in on your positions, if you've taken partials, you could be looking to get a nice wick fill to the downside and maybe even create a lower low based off of that. Okay, again, this is gonna be slightly more risky than the trade we just took, but if you have the right money management, you're going to know exactly how to trade this setup, okay? But you could be looking to catch another 15, 18 pips for that wick fill. Okay, very surprisingly, the dirty is super, super choppy. Nasty give us about 15 pips on the impulse, and we still haven't broken our candle over here, our support over here, which is why you shouldn't have been in any sort of Lambo entries at this point. Remember, guys, the entry exit strategy. Lay out the rules for yourself because it's straightforward. We have the impulse, the retest. Technically, we don't have a single candle that's even closed in our boxes of now. These are all only impulses, okay? So the move may not be ready right now, but if you're in, you shouldn't be in with anything more than maybe 2 or 3 feelers at this point for the sells. Nothing more, okay? Because you guys do realize that price can shoot right back up. We can pick demand from here, and we could shoot right back up. And even though the overall bias would still be bearish, but even to make a bearish bias, we will have to go bullish for a bit, okay? So just have that in mind. But of course, if we break down from here, we're testing that, and then we're testing that. I loved Goldie today, you guys. Insane. This strategy is just nuts. JJ, my man. All of you guys on the one-on-ones, y'all know what we're talking about, okay? For everyone else, it's going to be alien. But yeah, it works, all right? And we're living proof of that. You guys now are living proof of that. And it's beautiful. I love it. I don't know if J Red is on this call right now, but I had a lovely one-on-one session with J Red today. We spoke about trade. There you go, my man. We spoke about trading psychology. We spoke about adapting as a technical trader, because trust me when I say this, guys, every trade is different from the previous trade, which is also going to be different from the next one, okay? A good technical professional trader will understand that and adapt to every trade, and we broke it down beautifully. I do this with almost all the one-on-ones, okay, especially the ones that reach a certain point, and we have quite a few people. I don't want to name any because I don't want to miss out any, but there are a few of you guys, y'all know who y'all are, and I just couldn't be more proud of your progress, you guys. Seriously, this is intense. You told me mark up my biggest win and a big loss to discuss this weekend on one-on-one. My loss is going to be minimal. I love that, man. I love hearing that so much. Seriously, brother. Man, I'm on my phone today, so I only went small lot. Gold was big W. It's okay. It's okay. Gen X, my man, you don't have to stress about that, okay? Small, big, it really don't matter. A win's a win. Was an insane session. Definitely missing out if you haven't signed up. Cheers, J Red. We got to work on that journal, man. Yeah, I totally agree, guys. Journalizing your trades is how you're going to figure out how to get better. All right, I understand it may seem really boring, and it may just seem like something that's unnecessary, but only when you do it are you going to realize how beneficial it really is for you, okay? So I would always recommend you guys to journalize your trades. I tell all the one-on-ones too, even if it's not every trade, but I tell them to journalize the ones that stand out, the biggest losses, the biggest profits. And then on the sessions, we actually break them down. We play them in real time, and we figure out what went right or what went wrong, because you're only going to be able to break an actual trade down if you have all of the data sitting right there, okay? So we find the root cause of the issues, we see what we're looking to fix, and we take it from there. It gets pretty intense, you guys, and today morning for me was just one of those sessions with J Red. It was awesome, man. Yes, 100%. A trading journal is extremely beneficial. And if you're an organized person, if you like being organized, if you've got a little OCD tingling in your system, then you're going to love this even more. I kid you not. Literally, just journal it, man. Just put down your trades, put down your lots, put down your entry points, your exit points, a screenshot of the a trading view link with the screenshot of your chart. You'll also be able to add up and figure out a hit rate for the way you're using the strategy. It's amazing, and you could always just refer back. When I professionally started trading, so I'm not talking about the first 2 years that I was learning in these markets, but when I professionally started trading, I literally had journaled up for 3.5 years at a stretch, which left me with data that I still refer back to till date, with over 500 trades. 500 trades with links and with everything. Even now, if a trade ever clicks me and I want to look back at it, I can. That's the kind of dedication you need to succeed in these markets. All right. My journal was also not just literally a physical journal, but I have my wife with me. So she used to pretty much act up as my journal as well, and I used to act up as hers. We used to just look at each other's trades and figure out what went right, what went wrong, and we took it from there, you guys. Since the weekend's boring, I have my second one-on-one tomorrow. Can't wait. Just check if the patterns improve. Send me a friend request. Okay, you should write a book. All right, so let's see. I'm looking for Nasty to potentially break this low. All right, I like that break right there. We break that and boom, get a little bit another retest. We could continue to still push down GU. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Anyone trading GU? GU is fucking falling. Anyone trading GU right now? Dawood, are you in on it, my man? If you are, you better be realizing some profits, okay? That's a nasty fucking candle right there. Awesome. Take it out, alright? Remember, pulling out is healthy. Always put in the habit of pulling out. Yeah, that never gets old. Literally, that never gets old. Not this again. Okay, let's look to break that guy. One-on-ones, are you all seeing a potential something play out over here? I'm watching the chat, okay? Are you all seeing something play out in this region right now? Come on, you guys. Y'all know how much I love it when y'all give me these answers, okay? Yes, Head and Shoulders, but within, all right? So this was the bigger Head and Shoulders, but what's going on right now? Okay, come on. Any one of you guys? Yes, there you go. Lunatoon, my man. He has the session, which is pretty much the freshest in his head right now. We just did the session about 24 or 48 hours back, so he sees it. All right, we're coming into a nice little flag continuation, but also with an pennant coming in. Distribution, JJ, right? So we're coming into some nice little distribution over here. We're also building into an apex within our pennant. So let's see if we want to break past our beautifully found support right there, and it lines up perfectly towards the left. Let's see if we want to break past our apex and continue to make the flag. Okay, if not, we're gonna disrespect the supply, successfully make a demand again, and then do possibly some like that. Okay, so that's a possibility. Possibility number 2 is this right here. Okay, now that you've identified the pennants one-on-ones, look how you can layer into your positions. Alright, we've spoken about this. So let's see how we could layer into anything that could possibly be coming in over here, okay? Let's take a look at... Okay, let's look at the dirty. Alright, if we break out of here, I'm liking... Let's look at these for the buys, okay? And again, these sells will only come in if we start to push even lower on nasty. Let's get rid of that guy. I'm also going to get rid of the pennant, because I'm sure you guys have understood the point of me putting that onto the chart, okay? But as of right now, they're still giving us the continuation. Fuck, man, look at GU. Goldie is still making lower lows. Is anyone still in on gold, or have you guys liquidated your position in its entirety? Any reason why I can't trade US 100 and Dow Jones? Well, you should be able to. What's the error you're getting? Sorry guys, I'm just trying to figure out a nice little level. Okay. And listen, if these cells want to come in, they're probably still going to, but very, very sold off market already. Alright, so you guys could totally get in on that. That's on you, okay? Sorry, the charts are a little too cluttered today, but you'll get the point. All right, buys up above our supply, and the sells are of course down here. I put in both and nothing. Maybe FTMO trial doesn't allow it. I don't think so, buddy. We have a lot of people over here that have used FTMO, the trial version. So if you guys could please help Camper out, that would be awesome. Okay, so the sells are still pushing through on the dirty. All right, no buys, nothing is off right now. Let's see. All right, and on nasty, let's see if we want to break past this and get even more over there. Okay, so we're coming into this level of consolidation right here. That could be the next level that we're pushing to. All right, so somewhere there. Perfect. Okay, let's see how they react around this area. I'm not in on any sort of sells right now, you guys. I'm really not. But they're fucking pushing, man. Okay, let them push it as much as they want. We'll adjust the retracements accordingly, okay? Fuck, they're dropping, man, and they're dropping it hard. All right, so watch for nasty, okay? I'm gonna leave the dirty aside. That's the retracement buys, and that's the sell that we've caught already, okay? Let's watch for nasty. We've got a minute and a half to go. All right, we break that. Trigger finger opportunity sitting right there, okay? Guys, if I get this trade, I'm going to call it a fucking session. I'm not trading no more. 0.8% on that trade. Beautiful, my man. Congratulations. Realize your profits, okay? Take it out. I'm already up by about 5K for today. So I'm pretty happy, okay? All right, guys, I'm watching nasty really closely. I am in on nasty. All right, I'm in on nasty, and I'm running by about 2 pips on nasty right now. 2 pips on Nasdaq, okay? I'm watching really close. There you go. 3 pips on Nasdaq. Okay, you know what? 3 pips is good for me. I'm changing this to break even. I'm not liking the volume. There you go. Okay, 3 pips. Not liking the volume too much right now. 12915.4. 12914. Okay, cool. I'm in a break even trade again. All right, I'm running by about 2 pips, and I'm in a break even trade. I just didn't like the volume idly. There you go. All right, we're getting it. We're getting it. We're getting it. I'm up by again 3-4 pips. Very rangy. Let's see how they want to retest. I hope it doesn't hit my BE stop loss. It could, but I hope it doesn't, all right? Because we could have a little bit of a retest slightly higher. I won't be surprised if that happens, but it's all good. Okay, so far I'm still running by about 3 pips. So about $900 on this trade. 2 pips now. It's very rangy for me. I have a very tight stop loss. So let's see if I'm going to get the move or if I'm going to have to look for a re-entry. Alright, I'm running by a pip right now. Come on, don't stop me out, man. Fucking hell. I literally saw $40 and then it started climbing again. Okay, so let's see. I may get stopped out. Just give it to me, man. I just saw 420, you guys. Maybe that's a sign. I'm seeing 420 right now. Alright, maybe that's a fucking sign. Hit TP on gold. Beautiful. Congratulations, man. Boom. Okay, there you go. I'm running again by 3 pips. All right, very rangy, but I'm liking the sells that are coming in. Let's fix this up to a more realistic area. Beautiful. I'm up by $1,000 on this trade. Again, 900, 3 fucking pips. Very annoying, very slow. Come on, give me my 10 pips and I'm going to walk out a very happy man. Okay, I'm running, you guys. 5 pips. Okay, 5 pips. I'm up by about 1,400. 1,200, ranging. Back down to 3 pips. Ugh! I hate these push and pull markets. It's fucking horrible. Guys, we also have the new Ali momentum that's going to step in the next 3 minutes, okay? So, this could reverse on you. All right? Just keep that in mind. If you're not in a risk-free position like me, I hope for your account's sake that you're not over-leveraging, okay? But I'm up by 10 pips. No, not 10 pips, my bad. 5 pips, 1,500. All right, give me my 3K, man. Give me my 3K, and let's call it. I love it, you guys. We do we trade Wall Street, but it's amazing how we get the moves, and most of the times we don't even stay for the Wall Street Open because we're done before that happens. It's pretty intense, and I'm just glad we're able to do this, man. So grateful. It's still ranging, you guys. I'm still running by 3 to 4 pips. Okay, it's ranging between 900 and 1200 for me this trade. All right, I'm not getting anything solid so far. Goldie is still making lower lows, isn't it? Yep, Goldie's still making lower lows. Look at that. GU. Beautiful trade. Guys, I'm running again by about... right when I said it. It goes right back down to 3 pips. Is anyone else in on Nasty with me? Anyone else trading Nasty with me right now? Yep. Okay. In, little feeler. All right. Okay, it's the same thing, right? Treat this as your impulse, retest, rejection, break of previous structure. You can apply the entry-exit strategy over here as well. Okay, again, 4 pips, 1200, right back down to 3 pips, 2 pips. So rangy, you guys, so rangy. I hate it. I'm probably going to get stopped out on this, you guys. Less than a pip. Okay, I got stopped out. I got stopped out on this one, okay? No problem. It's all good. There's no stress. I'm going to see if we get a rejection. Right? If we get a rejection, I'm going to look to re-enter. Let it go high. Straight up, okay? Now, I'm going to try and put a little bit of an order sitting right in this area. If you guys want to be a little safer, you can wait to break this. You can have an order sitting over there, and if you get triggered, it could be a nice little move to the downside, okay? Let's look for the buys up there for the dirty. Okay, so I just got in on another little feeler over here, and I'm setting up an order for that, for that area. Give me a second, guys. We have about 15 seconds. I'm going to try and be quick. That's okay. 12908.6. Cool. All right, I have an order that's set up and good to go. Okay, let's see if they want to give it to us. Let's take a look at GU. Maybe Ali Momentum can bring this shot. That's what I'm hoping as well, man. That's what I'm hoping. Okay, GU was a nice solid move. Okay, nothing so far. Okay, this is the Ali Momentum, you guys. So hopefully we get something. Alright, I'm not triggered in on anything. My MetaTrader hasn't put me into any sort of trades as of right now. And maybe that's a good thing. Right, because this is very, very slow right now. Weirdly, we have a Forex pair that's giving us the real move. And the indices are just being choppy in prep for tomorrow. There you go. Okay, so the sells are out of the question. Seems like it. Let's see how they want to react at that area. And if we hold here or even here, I'd still be interested in the sells, okay? We have our EMA coming in right there. 200s all the way up there, which tells me that we could go back up to maybe that region. By then the 9 even comes a little lower. We could test out maybe this area, okay? Alright, and we're just having a healthy retest on a healthy retracement on the RSI. Dirty's still pushing, man. Dirty's still pushing. It's being strong right now. I like to catch the retracements and the dirty coming in here. Goldie making lower lows, you guys. Gold's making lower lows. Beautiful. Anyone trading gold? Anyone still in on gold? If you guys would have held this, it would have been a nice chunky move, man. Alright, that's a good 30 pip move right there. Ugh, Nasty's being so slow. Alright, so space. The early momentum didn't do it. Let's see. Alright, let's see. I was hoping the early momentum would give it to us. Gold's most likely going to try and push down to maybe that area or that area. Ugh, too much fucking chop right now. Sad nasty trader? Tell me about it. Guys, just give me a quick second. I am going to be back, okay? Just one sec. Right when I left, Nasty does it, and I got in on Nasty. Alright? I got in on Nasdaq right when I said it, okay? And I'm running by about, again, another 3 pips on Nasdaq, you guys. Another 3 pips. Let's see if Nasdaq wants to break down even further, okay? Again, I'm going to try and keep... There you go. I'm getting it, alright? 5 pips on Nasdaq. 5 beautiful, very, very well-deserved pips on Nasdaq. Let's go ahead and put this on a break-even stop again. 12911.9. Alright, I'm in a break-even trade, you guys. I'm in a break-even trade, and I'm up by about 1,400 on this trade. Almost 5 pips, okay? Let's take 10, and let's fucking go. Goldie, beautiful move. Continue to the downside. Alright, come on. Just break, man. Just break. Retest possible to up there. Okay, I'm still up by about $1,000. 900, so still 3 pips. Exactly where our cursor is. Beautiful. Come on, get rejected, man. Don't do us dirty, Nasty. Get rejected. Got stopped out at break-even? I hope it was at break-even, buddy. Alright, I'm still running by about 3 pips, okay? I'm still up, well, 2 pips now. Guys, if I get stopped out at break-even on this trade, I'm not taking any more trades. Okay, we'll chill around till market open, no problem. But if this would be the 3rd trade that I get stopped out at on break-even, and I don't want to run out of my break-even luck, okay, if I may. So I'm not gonna get in on anything, not till market open. If this trade stops, if this position of mine gets stopped out at break-even, all right? I'm just gonna light a nice little cigarette, chill for the next 20 minutes, and then we'll see how it goes from there. All right, I'm up by 1 pip, so I'm seeing 300. We go lower by a pip, and I'm out of this trade. 2 pips now. Very, very, very choppy, man. I don't like this chop. Alright, I do believe Nasty is going to come and get that. I really, really believe it. Maybe it happens for market open. Maybe it doesn't, but that's a move that we possibly could get on Nasdaq. Okay, so let's see. This is the third time I'm finding myself in a spot like this. Okay, I'm running by 1 pip again. It's ranging, guys. 1, 2, 3. So I'm ranging between $300 to 900 all the way. Let's see. All right, I'm in a risk-free position, so I don't really care. Either I'm gonna make money or I'm gonna get stopped out without losing any. So it's a win-win for me. Okay. Continuations coming in on solid bearish momentum, man. on the dirty. We should have been trading the dirty. Couldn't be straight up with you guys. We should have been trading this. We picked the right one in the beginning of the stream, but with the indices, I should have picked the dirty. I'm not gonna lie. All right, 4 pips, 5 pips. I'm almost about to touch 1500 on my nasty sell. Might go for a quick shot before open. I've got my moves anyway today. Go for it, man. Knock yourself out. If you've gotten your moves, you should be out of these markets. Simple. All right, I'm up by 5 pips, you guys. 1560, 1600. There you go. Give it to us. There you go. 1800. All right, I just saw a nice flash of 1900 as well. Ranging back, gone all the way back up to 1200 now. 4 pips. Fucking hell. I hate this. They're not giving it to us. They're making us wait today. The poor retail traders are getting trapped so badly right now because they don't understand risk management. They don't know what to do in this situation. We keep getting in on trades, but we keep putting ourselves in these risk-free spots, right? But the retail right now is just selling, and when they do that, they're going up. And then when they're buying, they're selling, and they're part of this rubber band action back and forth, which is it's just dirty if you'd ask me. Okay. I'm now gonna bring this even lower. Let's look at that on the dirty, okay? Fuck this. All right, an update on nasty. I'm still up by half a pip. All right, 2 pips now. 3 pips now. Very, very, very rangy, man. I don't like it. I don't like it. Today's the day where the famous 90% of the traders lose money. Absolutely, 100%. Not us, not the army of millionaires, but the retail traders, yes, sadly. Guys, I so badly want to either make money on this trade or just get stopped out because it's stressing me looking at my fucking phone non-stop, right? Because again, if I get stopped out at break even on this one, I'm gonna take my stand and I'm gonna not trade for the next 20 minutes. And I understand that it's hard to do that. It is, trust me, not just for you guys, for me as well. It's hard for me to do that, but sometimes you have to do what's best with the strategy and what makes most sense for your account. Okay, always remember that. Zoe. Hi. You want to say hi to the stream? You can probably hear her growl. You want to say hi to the stream? Say hi. Say hi, Zoe. Say hi, Zoe. Say hi. Oh. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Are you done for the day? God, aren't you a feisty one? Okay. Alright, Zoe. Let Damdy make some money. Let's see what we're at with Nasty. Alright, so I'm doing about 1300 on Nasty right now. Damn, it's not even kicking me out of the freaking trade, man. It's keeping me there. It's enticing me. 5 pips, okay? I'm up by 5 pips on Nasty, so about 1500. Fucking hell. 1800, there you go. 1800 on Nasty. Come on, man, just fucking push down. Push down. Are you guys still in on Nasty with me? Are you guys still in? Alright, 2000 on Nasty. There you freaking go. Finally! Alright, 2300, 2400. Come on, give me my 10 pips, man. Give me my 3 grand. And I'm gonna be such a happy man. Alright, this is patience to the freaking T. Alright, let's get this. I'm up by 2 grand on Nasty. Up, break even, stop loss. Good. I bailed. Why is that, Gen X? In on Nasty still. Good. Alright, I'm up by about 2200 on Nasdaq. Okay, we're catching support. There you go, 2400. Give me my 10 pips, man. Give me my 3K. Come on, come on, come on. 2300 and counting. A lot of y'all might be thinking, why am I not pulling out 2300? Because I work on a set rule. All right. I have the reason I'm able to manage my account is because I have rules for how I trade these markets. I have rules for when I set my trades to break even, for when I take out profits and all of that good stuff. Okay, so yes, a lot of y'all might be wondering that he's up by 23. Why isn't he taking out? It's because I'm waiting to hit my 10 pip mark. Nasty's flirting. Tell me about it. I'm in on this. I'm being flirted with. But they're not dropping the way the dirty is. All right, let's see if the dirty wants to even follow through, man. The good thing is I think by now most of us are in risk-free positions, right? I'm hopeful that's the case. So it's all good. In case we get it, we get it. If we don't, we look for another one. Okay, let's adjust this again. Let's look at that now. All right, let's catch those retracements, man. How much are they gonna make it bleed, huh? They're gonna keep dropping it even further? It's fine. We'll bring our buy boxes lower. It's really no problem, okay? We'll catch the retracements. Let them do what they have to. Today the seductress is nasty. Yeah, very, very wiki as well. Nasty is definitely trying to seduce us into these cells. Let's just hope it's not a trap for the retail, okay? Oops. Fucking hell, my camera almost just fell down. Give me a second, you guys. Okay, we're back and we're rolling. How much are you guys running on Nasty right now, man? I'm up by about, you know what? Don't tell me in terms of money. Okay, this is a nice little exercise that you guys should do. How much are y'all up by in terms of pips? All right, I'm currently up by about 7 pips on this trade. What about you guys? 5 pips, 6 pips, 7, 5. Okay, I want to see more pips. All right, you guys, I want to see more pips in the chat. We need to stop looking at these markets in terms of money. We need to start looking at these markets in terms of pips. You have 2-3 good trades. You've made your 20, 30, 40, 50, whatever your pip goal is. That's it. That's all that you need in a day. 20 pips on Corolla, 8 on Lambo. Lovely. Okay, new candle pushing in bearish. Boom, there you go. 2,500, 2,600. Come on, man. Break down. Break down. Break down. Break down. Do it. Do it. 2,700, 2,800. There you go. Fuck, they're really making us work for 10 pips today, man. This is horrible. They're really, really making us work for 10 pips today. It's going to piss me off if this closes out at break even now, I swear. That's going to piss me off. Okay, look at that. The dirty pushing in. Maybe potentially into our buys. I'm back at 7 pips again, you guys. Alright, I went all the way up to about 9. But right back at 7 right now. 8. I got my 10 and Bale Nasty was giving me a panic attack. Oh, that's all good, J-Red. We spoke about this today, bro. It's all good, okay? As long as you caught your 10 and as long as you put yourself in that break-even spot, you're all good. Alright? Did you end up using the 10 pip or the 20 pip strategy here? Oh, you said I got my 10? Okay, so you used the 10 pip strategy. Lovely. There you go, finally! 2,600. Come on, man. I don't get anxious, but I am right now. Because I want this move to play out. Even though I'm risking nothing right now, I just want this move to play out, man. They're making us wait. They're making us wait too much, and I don't like that. They're picking up support from Nasty, you guys. I don't like that. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm considering if I should just pull out my 7 pips and move on to the next trade, which has now become 5 pips. Yeah, they're definitely picking up support from here. Okay, I would say liquidate your positions. Okay, if y'all are up by 5 with your Lambos, like I am, just liquidate your position. It's all good. We'll find another entry. We don't. Right when I say that, they start pushing it down again. I'm back to 9 pips. I'm back to 9 pips. It fucking flashed at 9 and it didn't give me 10. That's what these markets just did. That's what Nasty is being really nasty right now. If you walk away with nothing, it's still a win. You sound exactly like me, JJ. It's my longest trade yet. Oh, man. Hey, I just saw 10 pips. 3,100. Finally. I just saw 10 pips and I'm pulling it out. Fuck it. All right, I just pulled out. Let me tell you guys how much I pulled out. I just pulled out 2860 on that one. 2860. But I caught it. Who caught that with me? Who fucking caught that with me? Finally. Finally. They made us work for those 10 pips like I don't even know what, man. We're trading these markets, okay? They made us do some serious labor over here, getting us to wait for these. But anyway, it's done. I'm glad I pulled out my 10 pips, even though it ended up being 9, but I saw my 10, and it's all good. It's all good, okay? So this could come down another 20 pips. I wouldn't care. I'm done with this trade. So, fuck it. Goldie's still creating lower lows. W. Actually, Kyle, this wasn't really stressful, especially for me. I don't know about the other guys, but I was in a risk-free trade. I've been in a risk-free trade for about the past, I think, 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes on this candle, right? So I really wasn't stressing. One of two things was going to happen. Either I was going to make my money or I wasn't going to lose anything. So that's the best spot that you could be in. And we'll talk about this tomorrow, Kyle. All right, it's cigarette time, fam, because we have about 10 more minutes to chill. Do we have smokers on over here? I don't advertise smoking, by the way, but I'd like to get to know you guys. What's your poison? Vape, yes. W's. Yep, alright, we've got a couple of smokers. Nasty's doing something, Cash just told me. Alright, Nasty's still pushing down, but I'm out of this. If you guys are still in, good for y'all. Coke Zero? Lovely. Be smoking cigars in 6 months with the money made in these markets. Hey, JJ, I like the sound of that, man. I like the sound of that. My poison and my blessing are these markets. Said like a vet, my man said very, very well. Mine too, you guys. I mean, yes, I do have a couple of bad habits. I'm not going to deny that. But it's all good, man. It's all good. How many alcohol enthusiasts do we have over here? And what's your favorite kind of drink? Are y'all whiskey people? Are y'all rum people? What's it with you guys? Are y'all wine people? I know that a lot of people enjoy wine. My wife gets crazy on wine. It's not even funny. She does. I'm not complaining, but she does. Whiskey for me. Whiskey. Yeah, I'm a whiskey person all the way too, man. Whiskey. Whiskey? Really, babe? Whiskey? I very recently introduced Cash to some nice cinnamon whiskey. And yeah, she's been drinking cinnamon whiskey, and all of a sudden she's now a whiskey girl. But yeah, that's awesome. Yep, that's right, Lenny. We've got some Jim Beam. We've got some Fireball. Um, just, I think she prefers Fireball because of its sweetness. It's just too sweet for my palate, though. Vodka. You like vodka? Wine's good with some cheese. I agree. I agree. I agree. A nice little cheese platter and some wine. Every time I used to fly Emirates, we used to fly business class, well, we still do, and they always have like these really, really fancy platters with some nice wine that they give us, and it's always the most fun thing. Switching to the demo, 3 days on the evaluation account, up 1.6. Let's fucking go. Thanks to you and Cash. Cheers, J Red, my man. Smart decision. Guys, what do y'all think of us starting to do a couple of more forex pairs? So I thought I know, Nasty is still pushing down. Okay, I'm not complaining. You guys shouldn't be either. It is what it is. If you're still in on this, you're making big buck. If you're not, it's fine. It's all good. Finally, 10 pips on Nasty. Good. More pairs equals more money. Not always, camper. Don't fall into that trap. Okay. Even if I am doing multiple, you need to make sure that you're trading one of those, not all. The only reason I'm giving you guys a buffet is because we have different people over here that like to sort of trade different securities, right? So don't get into all of them. But yes, you're right to say that you'll have more opportunities to look for. 100%, yes. I think we should keep it at 4. We'll stick with the indices and we'll stick with gold, and we'll have the fourth one that can keep switching up to a forex pair, maybe based off of news. If there's no news, we'll do GU, like we did today. But in case there's news, maybe Canadian news or Euro news, whatever it is. But maybe we can then decide. We can have the fourth one as a forex pair. What is that? How does that sound to you guys? Good. Okay, sounds good. Let's get it. And again, I won't force it. If I see an opportunity, if we see something nice possibly playing out, only and only then will we put it up. Okay, but solid moves today, you guys. Did anyone except Dawood actually trade GU, or was Dawood the only one trading GU? Very solid session today. Very, very, very solid session. Um, Choppy, but good moves coming in through and through everywhere. Looks good to me. Traded during London, was late today for NYC. How was London for you, buddy? How was London? Did you manage to catch some on London? Because we didn't have the stream today as well. Made pips on GPP. Good. I missed my clean move on London. Well, London was GU was good for London today. I was trading the minute time frame, and it was nice. I managed to catch a quick about 10, 12 pips on 2 trades, 5 pips each. Nice moves coming in there. Instead, still can't trade DAX. Actually, my favorite pair. DAX moves really well for London, though. If it were in my hands and if I was streaming London for you guys, I wouldn't even trade Nasty for London. But you guys know Cash, and y'all know the love that she has for Nasdaq, which is why she charts that and trades that for you guys for London. But if it was up to me, I would just do DAX. Literally marked the chart, was about to end trade, but had a meeting. This was where I was marking my buys. Want to go over on the weekend. Lovely. Looks good. Looks good. Guys, listen. I have a couple of y'all over here that I think we have weekend sessions booked in for. I need y'all to message me. We may have to change that to Sunday, and I'll tell y'all why. I realize it's Easter on Sunday, but man, I do have some family plans coming in Saturday evening, and the plans that we have for Saturday evening for us, we have to head out, and it's a bad time. Okay, so there are two of y'all over here, JJ, and there are two of y'all over here, right? So just message me, and let's fix it up for Sunday if that's possible for y'all. Okay, I'm okay to work for y'all on Easter. That's all good. That's no problem. But Saturday is family plans, man. Sunday, yeah, cool. I'll reply to both of y'all after the session. Okay, we'll fix the time for whenever it works for y'all. Thanks, man. Appreciate you guys. Okay, finally picked up support. Finally, after those falls, and now let's see what wants to come. I'm not going to be looking at this. Let's maybe, if we're definitely staying for market open now in the next 2 minutes. So let's see if we want to get this nice move on on the dirty. Okay. All right, a minute and 30 to go from market open. All right, how much are you guys up by today? I'm up by 4, 5, 6. I'm up by 7 grand today. 7,000 on this session. I'm happy. Can I see gold again, please? Yep, sure. There you go. Stay away from gold for market open. It could probably get a little crazy. I mean, of course, if you want to trade it, go right ahead. But it could get a little crazy, okay? So I like the indices more for gold. Sorry, I like the indices more for market open. I'm not even looking at nasty, alright? But if you guys want to trade nasty, it's pretty straightforward. Into your supply. Okay? Alright, I'm gonna have a little buy stop, you guys. I know there's only 20 seconds, but a little buy stop up at that area if I'm gonna be able to do it in time, okay? Okay, this is market open in the next 3 seconds. Let's have a good one, fam. Alright, bearish. Let's see how they react down here. Okay, I will get triggered if we just break past that area. Solid. Come on, give it to us, give it to us, give it to us. Let's just clean that up. There you go. Alright, I'm triggered in. I'm at roundabout break even right now. -2 pips, -3 pips. Alright, let's see. Alright, very, very rangy right now. Let's see, you guys. If y'all don't feel comfortable, wait for the first candle to close. Y'all know it. That's the way I trade as well. I wait for of course, the impulses. Oh, look at nasty. Still pushing to the downside. Fucking hell, that is tanking, man. This is what we'd spoken about. They could come all the way down to the daily support, and that's exactly what they're trying to fucking do. Up 15 pips on Lambert today. Cheers, JJ. Lovely, my man. I love hearing that. Alright, so I'm going to get out of my Corolla if we start to push below our daily support. I'm not going to hold longer than this for my Corolla. And if we happen to push up there, I'm going to be trigger finger on my Lambo getting in on the impulse, okay? So I've told you guys what my play is for right now. So far, at the moment, I am on a Corolla for the buys up here, okay? But this is going to be my stop loss for that. Gold. Oof. Look at nasty, babe. Are you in on the sells? Huh? Alright. How many pips is that? Cash is looking at the sells, you guys. Guys, listen, I'm gonna close my Corolla, okay? If we happen to break this with momentum, that area, I'm gonna close my Corolla. I'm not gonna hold on for a Corolla longer than that, okay? Straight up, straight forward, it is what it is. It's about a 30 pip move on $5 for me. Okay, still watching, still watching. Okay, I'm still in on this, you guys. Don't have a very good... There you go. There you go. Alright, don't have a very good feeling about it, but I'm still in on this. Okay, I'm down by about 20 pips on my Corolla at this moment, which is about $100. Okay, I'm gonna hold it to negative maybe 200 tops, 20 pips, not more than that. Yeah, looking nasty. Fucking hell. Is anyone trading Nasdaq? Anyone in on these continued sells? Anyone in on Nasdaq right now? Nope, nope. Cash, of course you are. My feeler did, but that's it. That's good enough, JJ. I see no problems with that. Oh, nasty. Still fucking dropping, man. Okay, I like that. Alright, I'm still in about negative 10 pips. Negative 10 pips on my Corolla, so that's about $50. There you go. We're climbing up. I'm in negative 5 pips. I'm at break even. Alright, come on, come on, come on. Give it to us. Give us the move. Start pushing. Don't get rejected from here. We break that and that's my entry, okay? Not yet, not yet. Look at fucking Nasty. Nasty's pushing. I'm at break even on my Corolla, okay, you guys, right now? Listen, if y'all don't feel comfortable and y'all are at break even right now, maybe it's time to take your position out. Okay, it's straightforward, but I am looking, all right? I'm going to wait for this candle to close in the next 20 seconds, not getting in on the impulse. It's not worth it. Let's see if this candle closes up in our box and gives us the continued move, okay? All right, so far it isn't closing in our box. Okay, let's see. If we break those highs, it still looks good to me. Boom, there you go. There you go. I just got in and I'm up by about 2 pips. All right, negative 2 pips now. Right, negative 1, negative 3 pips, negative 1 pip. It's moving really, really weirdly. That's it, and I'm up again. Come on, man. Break past that. Break past that. Very, very choppy, you guys. Don't be trading this, okay? The move's definitely gonna come, but it probably may not come now. Don't be trading this. It's too much chop. Don't be risking your accounts on this bullshit. Nasty was the move. We should have been trading Nasty and not the Dirty. Let's just hope the Dirty picks up some volume on this and starts to just pick something up, alright? Because so far, it's not giving us anything. Fuck, man. Look at Nasdaq. I wish I was in on Nasdaq right now. I'm not kidding you guys. All right. Look at this. My 2 positions. Like I said, if we hit this area, I'm going to be out. I'm not going to hold any more than that wick. It's just not the way I trade, you guys. Oh, there you go. All right. Fuck it. Let's watch for this. Let's watch for this. I feel like they're taking a last liquidity grab. Alright, we could be making a little bit of a double bottom over here. Let's see, we have that level. Y'all realize why now the entry exit strategy is as important as it is? Because if y'all follow the entry exit strategy, y'all shouldn't be in any Lambos at this point. Do you guys agree? right? Getting in on the impulses is one thing, but on the one-on-ones, I always tell these guys, always, I let them know that the impulse is not meant for your Lambos. When you start to get the hang of things, when you start to agree, absolutely. Matter of fact, no trade as of now. Lovely. So when you start to understand how the impulses move, that's when you can look to get in on the Lambos for the impulse, right? But with the entry exit strategy, you're protecting your Lambos. You're protecting your entries, okay? You don't want to be in having many heart attacks. You don't want to be doing all of that whilst price is breathing, all right? So use feelers, use Corollas like me, use whatever, but don't be getting in on the impulse with your Lambos. Okay, so I'm still running 2 positions. Pretty close to break even, about negative 9 pips, 9 to 10 pips on this. So let's see if we pick up some volume. I'm probably going to get into a break even trade. I'm not liking the volume in these markets right now. Gold dirty. Gold's being very choppy. No direction on gold. Okay, that's it, you guys. I am down by about 550 bucks on 2 Corollas right now. I'm not liking it. All right, I've made about 7 grand, but 550 for me is it doesn't really matter in the bigger picture of things, but the question is, do I still really want to be part of this manipulation? That's the big question, right? So let's see, all right? Because as of right now, it doesn't seem like these markets want to give us too much, okay? So next 55 seconds, I'm going to see how this candle closes. If it closes below our daily support, I'm getting out of this trade stat, and I'm going to take an L. It's all good. I'm only human. I take L's as well. And what matters is overall, I'm still in the blues. I made 7 grand. Even if I lose 500, 800, 1,000, it doesn't matter because then I've still made 6 grand. Okay? Candles are disgusting. Tell me about it, man. Okay, 27 seconds. If we close above our daily, then I'd look to continue to maybe hold on to this. But if not, that's that. Gold. Fucking hell, man. You guys should have told me to trade nasty. Y'all should have legit told me to trade nasty. And I would have. Okay, new candle opened up. They closed below, which tells me that they're going to retest and try to test this low. I'm going to give this one more shot, okay? Because as of right now, I'm down by... Stop. I'm down by 550. 550 and ranging right now, okay? So I'm going to give this room to breathe till there. But you know what? I'm just going to set a hard stop loss this time, okay? So give me a second. 33394. Okay, on one position I've set it, and on the other one, 33394. Cool. All right, so I've set both stop losses for my trades, and if we break that low, you guys, I'm gonna take an L. It is what it is, and I will be down by $1,000. 1,000. Okay. I'm done for today. Awesome. You should tell that on the group. Cash just informed me that she's... Wow, really? Cash just... Guys, I got stopped out, okay? 1,000, minus 1,000, and I got stopped out on this one. Cash just told me that she's up by 10% trading nasty. Just this, right now. 10% on Nasdaq. How crazy is that? Okay, guys, I took an L, and I'm going to take it... with pride, because at least I stuck with price action, and for me that's what matters most, right? And with the entry exit strategy, I'm not risking my Lambos for anything too crazy, right? So which is why I'm able to get in and out of these, and it's all good. It's all good, okay? It is the way these markets move. There's not too much we can do about it. There are going to be wins, there are going to be losses. We just need to make sure that our wins are the Lambos and our losses are never the Lambos. That's all we're looking for, okay? But it is what it is. Guys, listen, this was an awesome session today, okay? Regardless, we've all made our pips. How many of y'all, so a lot of people have left by now already. We have only 31 people over here. But how many of y'all made your profits for today? Throw in some W's, all right? And I better see 31 fucking W's. W. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, you guys, I'm counting. I broke even, that's fine. 6, 7 gold. What did I tell you, man? Gold's gonna be a little too crazy today. I want to see more W's. How many of y'all made W's, you guys? WGGFX, okay. Let them do as they like. I got 26 pips on gold. Now I stop, take it, and walk the fuck away, my man. Walk the fuck away, okay? You don't want to get caught into this manipulation like I just did in front of y'all live. Right? Y'all don't want to get caught in this. It's all good. As long as we learn and we move on, we're in the right space. It just went boom. Wow, just made another chunk on gold. Congratulations, Camper. Alright, guys, listen. We do this for y'all as a free service, okay? And all we ask for in return... Hey, cutie, wait. All we ask for in return are some Twitter posts, okay? So go on to Twitter, make sure to tag Cramcash and Project Whitelist, and just get us out there, man. It doesn't matter if you've made $1, $10, $100, 1,000, 10,000. It doesn't matter if you're on a live account or if you're on a paper trading account. As long as you've got some value out of the session, just go ahead and put on a post for us, okay? It'd mean the world to us. Thank you guys so much. Listen, we do have spots that are opening up for the one-on-ones because we have quite a few people that are actually getting done with their sessions, okay? So I was supposed to open up another spot today, but I had someone... take another 5 over the 5 that they already had, so the spot's closed out for today, but we are opening up, alright? So what I'd like for y'all to do, stop, man. What I'd like for y'all to do is just message us. Let us know if you guys are interested in getting joined in, and whenever there's a slot, we basically go on who message first, and we just send across the details to you guys accordingly, okay? So let us know who wants to get mentored by me on the trading journey, and if you guys want to learn about these markets inside out, and if you all want to get your fundamentals right, because that's all you need to trade these markets, hit either me or CashFX up and we'll hook you guys up with the sessions, okay? So thank you guys so much. This was an awesome session. Even though I had a little bit of an L today, it was a learning L for me. I'm gonna take a lot out of that. Gold is still fucking tanking. It really doesn't matter, okay? Even if it's $1,000 that I lost, it's something that I need to go back and review as to why it happened, okay? So I'm going to do that. I'm going to try and figure out what went wrong over there. I'm going to share my findings with you guys, and we're going to correct these mistakes together. Okay, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Next level gold support is looking exactly where we are right now, okay? That's TP. And if we want to push down even further, right there. Long ass TP, but it's doable. That's a 100 pip move. I don't think that's gonna happen right away, but it could. All right, they're picking up support finally. Listen, guys, this entry is still good. Okay, for the 22 of y'all that are sitting here, on this session right now, brownie points for y'all. Okay, mark up 33361, 33362. All right, mark this level up. Whenever put on an alert over here. Okay, one sec, guys. Put on an alert over here, okay? So, as soon as you see price cross up, and as soon as you see price do its thing and close here, make sure to buy this fucking market, because I promise you, this, whenever we cross up here, we're most likely pushing right back up to our demand, okay? So we didn't get it on the session, but it doesn't matter if we get it after, okay? So go ahead and make sure you'll bank on that. There's going to be no London session tomorrow, but we are, however, going to be trading NFP. Make sure to call Millzone if you're still on this call. Is Millzone on this call? Yeah, okay, so if you're hearing, I'll message you anyway, but let's put out a post. Let's put out a post for tomorrow, okay? Try to get as many people as you can for us for NFP. It's going to be a crazy day, and for the 20 people that are still sitting here, make sure that you're not risking more than 1/10 of your position, okay? I mean it. If you want to trade 1/10 of your position on that first candle, that's going to be crazy, all right? And even if you don't want to do that, if you're on a live challenge account, then all you want to do is you want to switch over to a demo account for that first candle, because that's where shit goes terribly wrong in case it has to. Okay, so just be mindful, be careful of that. Trade small, don't be stupid, wait for the second candle, and we'll still catch the move. Look at the chart for his box. Numbers are different for everyone. Find the same candles on your chart. Thank you, Milzone. Yes. Don't look at the number. Find this area, okay? Find this candle. You see that big, fat, red candle? You want to get the body or the wick of that candle, and that's your entries into the buys, okay? Or you'll get wrecked. Absolutely, my man. Okay? You could use the same number if you're on the same chart as me, which is Global Prime. All right? So if you're on the same chart, absolutely. You could use the number, but if not, then just look at the candle, and that's how you're going to mark it up. All right, so guys, thank you so much. This was an awesome session. I really appreciate each and every one of you all. Have a great rest of the day, afternoon, night, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. And like I keep saying, you guys, we're building a fucking army of millionaires. All right, it's up to you. Pull up your socks, do what you have to do, get onto Forex Academy, learn about these markets, and get ready to start trading with us. If not tomorrow, then come Tuesday. Okay, so have a great rest of the day, you guys. I'm going to catch y'all tomorrow for NFP. And this was the session, right? Twitter posts and let us know, message us for the one-on-ones. Thank you, guys. I'm Kram, my partner's Cash, and this is Forex Trading. Signing out, fam.